Hello children, let's learn some colors. Orange color, yellow color, black color, green color, red color, blue color. Let's learn some alphabets and numbers. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cow. C for cow. Numbers 1 2 3 A for apple. B for ball. C for cow. 1 2 3. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.